The average freelancer or agency owner pays for somewhere between 7 and 11 SaaS tools to run their business. A project management tool, a separate CRM, a separate invoicing tool, a separate e-signature platform, a separate client portal, a separate email management tool, and a spreadsheet stitching the data between all of them. OneSuite is the argument that this is unnecessary. This full playlist is the proof. By the end of this video playlist, you will have an agency dashboard that looks like this. A single screen that tells you the state of your business. A client portal that looks like it costs thousands of pounds to build, that your client logs into from a URL that shows your own domain name, not OneSuite. And a workflow where a qualified lead flows into a project, which generates a contract, which gets signed, which triggers an invoice without you manually copying information between 5 different tools. Let's build this from zero. This is BestInWP. This is the complete OneSuite course. Every module, both dashboards, agency view and client view, built from the ground up for freelancers and agency owners, including WordPress agencies. Free disclosures before we start. I'm an OneSuite affiliate. The link in the description earns me a commission at no extra cost to you. I also have a 20% discount coupon code that's in the description, clearly labeled. Same product, better price if you use the coupon code. I have the enterprise plan where features differ by plan. I'll tell you exactly which plan they are on. You won't find out 3 modules in that something I showed only exist on enterprise. This course is built in 2 parts. Part A covers everything a freelancer on the freelancer or growing team plan needs. Part B covers what agency and enterprise add on top. If you are a freelancer, you can stop after part A and have a complete picture. If you are on an agency plan, watch both. Add those up for a small 5-person agency. You are looking at $150 to $300+ per month with at minimum 5 different logins, 5 different sets of notifications, and 5 separate places where information about the same client lives. The most dangerous words in agency operations are, "We will just use this one more tool for now." Those words are the first step on a path that ends with you spending Monday mornings copying the same client's name and email address into 3 different platforms because none of them talk to each other properly. OneSuite's answer is a single platform with 9 connected modules. Client portal, the branded hub where clients log in to see everything. CRM, the lead pipeline that captures prospects and converts them to clients. Project management, task, Kanban, calendar, timesheets. Documents and e-signature, proposals, NDAs, contracts. Invoice, one-time, recurring, time-based billing with payment gateways. Email inbox, Gmail and Outlook connected, emails linked to client records. Time tracking, timers inside tasks, billable hours, timesheet approval. Team and collaborators, roles, permissions, departments. Productized service, packaged services that auto-create projects and contracts on purchase. These 9 modules share one database. A lead in the CRM becomes a client. That client connects to a project. The project's time entries connect to an invoice. The invoice goes through the client portal. Everything knows everything else exists. 3 types of people will get the most from this course. Freelancers running their own solo business, web designers, copywriters, SEO consultants, social media managers who are currently using a combination of free tools and spreadsheets. OneSuite's freelancer plan at $29 per month replaces tools that would otherwise cost you more than that individually. WordPress agencies, the BestInWP audience specifically, who build and maintain client sites, run retainers, and manage ongoing service delivery. OneSuite is particularly well suited here because the project management module handles repeatable project structures like site builds, monthly maintenance, SEO audits, and the client portal creates a professional home for all client communication and delivery. Growing service businesses of any kind, marketing agencies, consulting firms, design studios, creative agencies who have outgrown solo freelancing and are now managing a team and multiple simultaneous client relationships. If you are a solo freelancer who is not sure whether you need all of this, start with part A, module 3, the dashboard, module 6, the client portal, and module 8, the invoicing. Those 3 modules alone will change how your client relationship feel. The rest of the course adds on top. Affiliate link and coupon code are in the description. The coupon gives you 20% off. Use it.